Hello Malons, today we're gonna make pork backbone soup aka GamJaTang. First thing first, you have to put the bones in the water for about half an hour to 1 hour to take some bloods out of it. They will make your soup a little bit more have a clear taste. Usually, traditionally we put dry cabbage in it, but it's expensive, also hard to find, so I replace it with the fresh Nappa Cabbage. This soup is definitely one of my favorite soup during the winter. Um, it reminds me a little bit of my childhood. Um, my parents were both busy; they were working, and in Korea, the restaurants that sell these soups are always open for 24 hours. So I don't know how they do it, but they are 24 hours. They don't close. They never close. So my parents took me out late night when they have a time. Yeah, bring me there, order me a soup, and I was enjoying so much. Okay, anyway, back to the soup. So once the bones are sitting in the water for half an hour to 1 hour, just take the water out, wash it, put it in the pot, and we're gonna put pepper, bay leaves, and some onions, garlic. You see, those things will gonna help get rid of the gamey smell and taste from the bone. Time to time, some people just simmer it for say 15 to 20 minutes, and they draw out everything, including all those spices we just put it in, and they refill the water, put the vegetables, boil it again, and then they put all the gochujang, DoenJang, and put some soy sauce for the saltiness, and even adding more garlic to it. At the end of the day, like kamjatang is pork backbone broth, and from there you can add any kind of fermented paste or sauces, and of course you have to taste it, and then at the end we put the potatoes in it. The reason why we put the potato very end because we want to make sure we boiling this soup for a while until the bones and flesh are almost falling apart to each other, and then we put the potatoes in it because we don't want the potato losing its own shape when it becomes too mushy. We want still intact and then tastes good. It takes about say 3 to 4 hours of simmering, and then it will gonna be very soft. Thanks for watching. If you wanna see how I'm enjoying my 감자탕, please check my shorts, and don't forget subscribe and like, please. I will see you next time. Bye.